am in the forest, tree, waterfall, and I will be take the Tasam temple after I leave from here. And please subscribe, like my video, and the question please comment. Enjoy. It's very cold water. Bye bye.
Now I'm covered in my line. My favorite food is frog. Now I will show you. I eat like refresh in the forest. This is cucumber.
Lên coi xuồng có chuột chấp chân tăng.
Hello everybody, this is the family of freedom walkers. I'm come at the Tasam temple in Siem Reap, Cambodia. It is in the big cycle in the temple, and we just live from Breda village around 10 kilometers. You will be see one temple in the right side, and the name is Tasam temple. Okay, freedom walker always make the video for the street food, road, and the temple to share all in the world. And if you like my video and my channel freedom walker, please let me the subscribe and share my video, and I hope you will be support me to watch more and more. I will post more and more video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Đây là cái pop phòng là việc